Have you ever thought about bringing the beauty of aquatic life into your home? Indoor water gardens weave an enchanting tapestry of serenity and aesthetics. Imagine the calming effect of water features, introducing a mini ecosystem right in your living space. Picture having your own indoor oasis, brimming with life and tranquility. Now, you might be wondering, how do I create an indoor water garden? Well, it's simple. First, you'll need a suitable container. This could be an aquarium, a glass bowl, or even a mason jar. Next, you'll need some water plants. There are plenty to choose from, like water lettuce or dwarf lily. And of course, you'll need clean water. Lastly, place your garden somewhere with good light and temperature control. With these basics in mind, you're ready to embark on your indoor water gardening journey. Creating an indoor water garden is an exciting project that you can easily do at home. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Start with finding the perfect container. It could be a glass vase, a fishbowl, or even a mason jar. The choice is yours, but remember, it needs to be watertight. Next, it's time to choose your aquatic plants. Go for a mix of floating and submerged varieties. Floating plants provide shade and reduce algae growth, while submerged plants oxygenate the water. Once you've made your selection, arrange them in your container, leaving enough space for growth. Now, fill your container with water. But don't just pour it in. Instead, gently add the water to avoid disturbing the plants and the substrate. Finally, the most important part, maintaining your indoor water garden. Regularly check the water temperature and clarity, remove dead leaves, and trim excess growth. And voila, you've created a beautiful living piece of art right in your home. Indoor water gardens are more than just decor, they're a lifestyle. They enhance your air quality, boost humidity, and offer a tranquil hobby. Tending to your aquatic oasis can become a soothing, rewarding routine. So, are you ready to transform your home with an indoor water garden? We hope this video has inspired you to explore the world of indoor water gardening. Dive in, fashion your own aquatic paradise, and share your journey in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home and garden ideas. Happy gardening!